It's that time of the year again, ladies and gentlemen, where I ask you to give me your money. The thing that YouTubers usually tell you to do at the end of every video. I try to do that once a year, and that time is now. If you're not hurting in this current financial hellhole we find ourselves in, I have a Patreon, link in the description below. I also have a PayPal if you just want to drop a one-off, that would be fucking great. You guys who have contributed to my Patreon have literally, and I mean literally in the actual literal sense of the word, gotten me from not making it 1 month to just about making it on that month. So thank you very much. What do you guys get in return for it? Well, you guys get what you get, I'm afraid. It's a really bad value proposition for you guys, which is why I only ask you guys once a year. So if you can, please, it would be a great fucking help. To those of you who have done and who continue to do and who will do, thank you so much. Especially nowadays, it really is such a huge help. And I am hurting in this current financial hellhole that we find ourselves in. I am searching for new opportunities to improve my lot. I am actively seeking those out. Hopefully once the next opportunity is found and I'm not scrambling so much, I can reward your kindness with content. So yeah, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you've got extra, consider Patreon or dropping me a bit on PayPal. Every little bit helps. Till then, fucking A.
夜が寒けりゃ抱いてやろう夢が欲しけりゃくれてやろう羽を痛めたま